take y'all along with me. It's real bumpy in here. So we are starting this vlog at the shop. I'm getting my hair done. We're getting prepped for our trip. So hair is first on the agenda, and I also have to figure out my nails. I think I'm gonna go with like burgundy or red. I'm gonna cheat on you. What y'all know about this song? I love you. Hair is eating. What's your IG?
My IG, the butterfly effect, I almost forgot.
The butterfly effect. She got me right. Thank you. I'm gonna insert a picture of what we look like. What we've been looking like all week, basically. But I really like this. I feel like she did a really good job. Okay.
Got a little side pour.
A little side pour. So I just got back from getting my nails done. Y'all, this is the most stunning red ever. I feel like some reds be too pink on me, but this is perfect. The name of it was Apple Red. So I just got back from the nail place, and I'm just getting ready to go get Chipotle because I am starving, and I don't even know if I ate today, so it's definitely time to eat. Please don't look at the disaster in the background. I'm in the process of packing. I'm going to New York in like 2 days, and my packages are still getting here. So as they're getting here, I'm just gonna start packing them up as we go, so I'm not so last minute this time. I just put on this hoodie because the temperature probably dropped and it's nighttime, and I don't know, something about a hoodie just makes me feel like a little bit more like masculine, so that way if anybody tries to like jump me or anything, I have on a hoodie. Like a hoodie versus this, something about this is just making me feel a little bit more safe. Girl math is putting on an oversized hoodie.
Oh.
One more stop. We're going to Whole Foods because I just realized I didn't have anything to drink, and I was not about to buy no $5 Poppy or Olipop at Chipotle because they're only like $2 at Whole Foods. I think Whole Foods has them for like 2 for $4 right now. I also saw this on TikTok, and naturally I'm intrigued. It's a tres leches cake. They like soak this cake in like a sweetened condensed milk, and I'm like, okay, that sounds really fire. So I think I'm gonna get this just because I have a sweet tooth. Hey y'all, so I just got out of the shower and did my skincare, and now I'm just about to lay down. Y'all, I tried the tres leches cake, and tell me why it's fire. And I hate that I even tried it because now I'm gonna be craving it 24/7, but I'm about to just stay up, eat a little bit of that. I don't want to stay up too late. I'm shooting a campaign for Aerie tomorrow. In the morning, I also want to shoot some content for my Instagram story. I've been trying this new method where I don't shoot everything that I post all on the same day, so that way it's not so overwhelming. So y'all saw today I wore like the all red outfit, but now that my nails are red, I think I want to take pictures in that red set and like link the set to my story and my like to know it. Now that my nails are red and everything is like all matchy, I feel like that'll be a super cute post because I haven't posted anything about my hair. Instagram don't even know I got my hair done today. They don't even know a whole new personality is unlocked. So I'm getting ready to go to sleep, probably watch an episode of Insecure, edit a little bit, then I'm gonna wake up tomorrow, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Getting ready to shoot my campaign for Aerie. This outfit is so cute. So the hoodie just says Aerie, and the offline is kind of in like bubble letters, and then I love that it has the little like sleeve thumbs, and it just has matching pants. I just have on my oversized Uggs, and I was debating on if I wanted to wear these blue light glasses in the campaign or not. I feel like they give a little extra something. I don't know. I kind of want to wear them. I feel like they look really cute. So I'm just getting ready to shoot this campaign. Hopefully it's not too cold outside. At least it's not raining today. So we got lucky with that. As soon as we started recording, my camera died. So naturally, we stopped at Target. I was just kind of like trying to think of what else I wanted to add to it. I just didn't want to like walk down the street holding coffee. So I thought I'd add some more like holiday aspects to it. So I'm going to go with a little holiday decor. Maybe get some like reindeer and like set it up on my little like TV stand to add to this video. But I feel very like holiday-esque. I have on the green, the nails are red. Hey y'all, so it is the next day and it is currently 1:20 and boy do we have a busy day ahead. So I leave for New York tomorrow at like 6 a.m. and my grandpa's also having a surprise party today and he's turned 75, so I really don't want to miss that. I feel like I cannot miss that. I also really want to film 2 videos, but I don't know if I'm gonna get around to that. But I think I'm gonna start by like resetting my apartment because as you can see, there's a lot going on, and granted this is stuff that I'm like taking and packing. All my packages arrived for this trip, so I'm not stressed out about that, but it's just a matter of like packing and actually like making sure that I have everything. And then I'm also like filming and recording as we go. So I made my morning coffee and I didn't even freaking drink it because I just like made it and posted it on my story, and I've been trying to get like really good with like my affiliate links and my like to know it. So I'm like, okay, let me take a picture in this hoodie and let me post these glasses, and I've just been trying to like link everything. So I also still need to enjoy my morning coffee.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's all
She's worth your time.
was a real man, was a real one. Just can't deny. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind.
So I'm about to start packing, but I just wanted to show y'all some of my favorite pieces. So y'all saw me on like 2 days ago when I had like that red set on. Apparently that one red set inspired my entire identity because I ended up getting red nails. I also ended up getting these red glasses. Let me try them on. I thought these were so cute with this, and I might have overdid it, but I also got this red scarf for like a monochromatic look. I saw this girl on Pinterest create like a monochromatic red look, and I'm like, that's kind of cute. So I don't know, I thought this would be a vibe. So I also ended up getting like this oversized looking shirt, and I thought it would be super cute like if I tucked it and wore it with some like baggy jeans and some Timberland boots. I don't know, I kind of have like a vibe, not like tomboyish vibes, but just like baggy clothes, Billie Eilish adjacent. Okay, and I also got 2 of these like oversized sweaters that I've been seeing all over TikTok and Instagram. How cute is this? I'm not even sure how to wear it. I feel like it's just like so oversized. I'm almost like, hopefully I'm not like drowning in it, but I guess that's the whole point. And you can wear it like this or like fold it. So we also got her in black. I just think that this is so cute. And if I pair it with some like Prada sunnies, y'all know I'll pull out my little Prada sunglasses in a minute. Like, hello.
Put they in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby.
Hey y'all, good morning. So it is like 5 a.m. and I'm just waiting on my Uber to get here, and I never really wear makeup to the airport, but I always just like fill in my brows. It just kind of like gives my face a little bit of structure. So I just use this Revive brow gel, and I just like to go in with this like spoolie side just to give them more of a shape. And I swear by this stuff, y'all, like look at my brows, it's giving laminated. And I'm just gonna go in with this little like brow pen from NYX just to fill in any of the sparse areas on the end. But it looks like I just got my brows done. And I feel like this is like the perfect way to complete a no makeup look, or for days where you don't want to wear makeup, because it looks like I don't have any makeup on, but at least my brows are done. Like, at least I care a little bit. I also just added a little bit of wax to my hair and some hairspray because I didn't want my leave out to get too frizzy, and I feel like I'm about to be on the go. So that's why it's like super sleek and super molded down. But I'll see y'all when we're done. We made it to New York, so I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. It's small, but it's mighty. This hotel is adorable. We stopped in this little like coffee shop, so we're about to try pandan. I'm actually not mad at it. I just feel like the texture is throwing me off just a little bit. We just sat at the bar for a little bit and had some drinks, and we met with some friends from social media, and now we're just getting ready to go out.
We was sipping on that dessert.
No, we were sipping on espresso martinis. She's had too many espresso martinis. Wait, yo, the chaos, my hair. Can I have a little bit more vanilla for a little bit of extra sweetness? Ah, yeah, that's fine.
I don't know why I'm over here. I'm sorry.
Yeah, what are you doing?
No, girl. I'm good.
Get out of here. So we are all ready for the night. I'm getting ready to go to dinner, and then after dinner we're gonna go see Elf on Broadway, and I'm so excited. So these are the vibes. Dress is from Pepper Mail, and it has like the straps kind of similar to the Kai dress. I wish I could set up my camera so y'all can see it. Let me try to put it here. It's really messy in here, but I just have on these black tights, and I just paired it with these little Zara kitten heels. Like I said, it's very messy in here.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. I'm talking
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance.
So we are back from Winter Village Farmers Market, and now we're on our way to go make charm bracelets. I'm so excited. We've been seeing this on Instagram, and this is one of those things that's finally about to make it out of the chat. So I'm excited, and then after that we'll probably go get matcha.
If it's not happy, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel
Look how cute this little charm is. Just checking back in with y'all. This is actually so much more time consuming than you would actually think, just because I'm trying to like pick the perfect charms. Let me show y'all what I got so far. This is what we have so far. I have this little cuff, and then I just have this blue smiley face, which I thought was so cute. And then I have just an evil eye. I have a little cloud here that's also blue. And then I have this Be Mine charm, and then I have just a C, like a gold C. Oop. And I have a key. So we have found the best matcha in Brooklyn. This is so good. We're just waiting for our charm bracelets to be done, getting made. But the fact that I just ordered this and I'm already done speaks volume. I literally want to order a second one, so I'm debating on getting another one right now. So this is mine. Look how freaking cute, y'all. New York, New York, New York.
Oh my god.
Wait, can you take a picture on my iPhone just in case I want to my story? Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm trying to take y'all along with me. It's real bumpy in here.
You weren't sending me tonight. I'm sorry. I don't know this side of you. Is it giving it up?
Oh, take it on 45, please. So we got something that looks cool. Just got to the restaurant. Dinner was so fun, y'all. She needs to move back to Chicago.
You guys lose?
Or she's
Wait, nah.
No, she's
y'all
actually
need
trying
be
to.
over
She's trying to
here.
get to New York.
I'm about to kidnap them. It's over.
Hey y'all, so I'm gonna close out the vlog here. Thank you for coming to New York with us, and I will see you on my next video. Bye y'all.